Hi guys, Lisa Lori here and I'm back with another video. I'm going to sing a song for you guys. I'm going to sing, well, not the whole song because I only know part of it anyways. And I get to the chorus and I'm not very good because, like I said, I'm not a very good singer. I never had voice singing lessons, so my voice is very untrained. But here we go. It's Rolling in the Deep by Adele. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. They keep me feeling that we could have had it all. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Thanks for watching.